Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial that corresponds with the written instructions to help you get started with using the Ladybug document camera within your classroom to display to both your in-person students as well as those students that are remotely accessing your class via Google Meet. The first thing that you need to do in advance is to install the Ladybug application from the Chrome Web Store. You can find a link to this in the written instructions that correspond with this tutorial. Once you download it once, you're all set to launch it each time that you need it. When you come into the classroom to start this process, you want to first attach your laptop to the VGA cord on the podium like this, and a USB cord like this will attach from your laptop to the document camera here in the classroom. Once those are connected, you can go ahead and turn on the document camera. Once it's ready, it will turn blue. And then you want to go over to the Extron console on the podium and ensure that you turn it on and press laptop. This will allow for your image on the document camera to be displayed on the projector. Once you are set up in this way, you want to go ahead and launch the Ladybug app. You can do that by finding it where all of your other software applications reside on your laptop. Once you find it, either by searching or having a application available to you, you want to open it. The Ladybug application opens like this, and you want to go ahead and tell the application which document camera you'd like to connect to. So by going to this icon on the left that looks like the document camera, it will give you various options to connect to. Go ahead and connect to the recommended document camera option. Once you do that, you will see now that the image I'm displaying on the document camera in the classroom is now displaying on this screen in the Ladybug application, as well as on the classroom projector. Now you can go ahead and enter your scheduled Google Meet as you normally would. Once you go ahead and do that, you will have the option to present your screen. So I'm in a Google Meet here, and I'm going to go ahead and present now, which is on the bottom right of my screen, and I'm going to select a window. Selecting a window will give me the ability to select the window that the Ladybug application is in. Now I have an option to select one of these three windows. I want to select this third one that says Ladybug. Once I select it, it turns blue. I can press the blue share button. What's happening now is that my document camera is displaying this box, and now this box is actually displaying to everyone who's a part of my Google Meet. To confirm that I am displaying what is on the document camera, I can look very closely to where it says presentation, and you can see that it is exactly what is showing over here in the classroom. And I can always go over back to the application, and I can see here at the bottom that this is the area that I am displaying both to my students in Google Meet and to those that are in person in the classroom. From here, you can use your document camera as you would normally, and anything that displays here is going to also show on the screen to your Google Meet participants. Thank you.